how to change the keyboard language, input method, and layout on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now from here, we then go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, tap on Languages and Types. Now go down and tap on Manage Input Languages. In here, go down the list and make sure you add in the language that you want to use. Then we tap on the back key. Now to change the language input method and layout, you tap on a particular language. In here, it will show you all the available different input method that you can choose. Here I can choose VNI, Telex, Vietnamese, QWERTY, and so on. Now depending on the available options, different languages have different options available. So in here, just simply select a style that you want to use and then tap on the back key. Or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And now when you open up your keyboard, we can change the language and then type in using your input style. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.